Hello, my name is Abby Jamison. I am an external consultant with the Institute for Workplace Research. We have recently collaborated with the Kentucky Task Force on Aging Workforce to produce and analyze a survey of retirees on their life satisfaction since retiring. The Kentucky Task Force was interested in this information to better serve their demographics, their clientele, which, if it is not you at this point, will be you at some point in the future. We broke down the survey into 4 sections. We took an overall satisfaction measure of overall, and then living, which included housing and safety, sustaining, which included their health, their finances, and their community, and social, which included time spent with family and friends. Overall, men were more satisfied with their life since retirement than women, especially in their living, so again, their housing and their safety, and their social aspects, time with family and friends. Although they both noted that they were satisfied with their sustaining activities, community, health, and finances, scores were lowest on this aspect for both males and females. We looked at retirement activities, the activities that retirees engage in since retirement. Caregiving for a loved one was number 1 on their list. Spending more time with family and friends was a close second. Concerns for retirement were number 1, finances. Second was the need for long-term care, and third was cognitive decline. In our statistical analyses, under retirement activities, both caregiving for a loved one and time with family and friends were predicted to increase their life satisfaction. Under retirement concerns, only cognitive decline was shown to affect their life satisfaction. Our recommendations to the Kentucky Task Force would be first to create a support group for those who are caring for a loved one. This would serve a couple purposes. First, again, both males and females scored lowest on their satisfaction with community. A support group would help to create that sense of community. It would also help to stave off caregiver burnout, which is a very real concern. It would also allow caregivers to pool their knowledge and resources as they're dealing with different sicknesses, illnesses, and diseases in caring for their loved ones. Our second recommendation would be to create a community center. This would namely be to help stave off cognitive decline, also to keep their bodies healthy. We would recommend that this community center be used as a hub for games, card games, also physical games such as basketball or yoga. We would also recommend that they use it as a place for get-togethers and socials to, again, increase that sense of community and raise those scores. Thank you for your time.